It's my favorite video to do every single month, showing off you guys model railroads. Let's hop into it. Hey everybody, my name is Jimmy. Welcome to Coffee and Trains. Today I'm drinking some Green Mountain coffee today. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking, just like these guys right here, maybe get featured on an episode, you can put that in the comments below. Cheers, guys. Before I begin, I just want to say I know that a lot of you have submitted your model railroads, and I mean a lot, and I'm getting through them as fast as I can. I am currently getting into August of last year into getting these up there. So if you've sent one in and you haven't heard anything and you think it may have just gotten lost, it's not lost. I try to show every single one, and it's just coming up, and I've got a lot of them in the queue. So don't worry, I try to show every single one that I get here on Coffee and Trains. So let's go ahead and hop in to our first one with Dave Davis. Dave's got what looks like the beginnings of a basement empire right here. He's got that lovely U-shaped layout, and you can see he's got a lot of buildings on there. Plus, he's using that Kato Unitrack. You know how I love that Kato Unitrack. Lots of fun switching operations. It looks like a ton of fun. Great job, Dave. Next up, we have an update from Christopher Weaver of the Mill Run and Western. He sent me some of his stuff a long time ago. I'm talking about almost 100 episodes ago of Coffee and Trains. So let's check it out. Christopher has a lot going on in not a large space. Shows you can get a lot done in a not very big space. He's got HO scale. He's got a nice mix of regular track and easy track, which goes to show you I get this question a lot. Yes, you can use regular standard track with easy track. It's code 100 track for HO and code 80 for N scale. So great job, Christopher. This looks really great and just looks like a ton of fun. Looks like you're just really enjoying the hobby. Up next, check out these kits from Boston Rob or Baston Rob. That was probably literally the worst Boston accent anyone has ever done, so I'm sorry if I offended anyone, but check out these from Boston Rob. Boston Rob has this absolutely amazing refinery setup. It just has so much in it, and his entire layout is focused around this. I mean, just look at this thing. Look at all the different colors. Look at all the different structures. There's just all sorts of stuff around this. This is an example of a layout where you can fit a single industry in it, and that is exactly what he has done here. Now, a lot of work, a lot of fun it looks like to him. So this is an absolutely great example of a single industry layout. Great job, Boston Rob. I really love this. Now we're going to head all the way around the world to Allison Kelly. They're going to show off their club layout, which models East Guildford. This layout is really spectacular. It's got a lot of different power with it. It's 00 gauge, so you get some steam here, and you get some diesel in there. One thing I really love about seeing layouts from Australia, and it's something you don't get to see a lot of, is you get to see a lot of mixes of different nationalities of power. Now here you're not necessarily seeing it, but a lot of times you'll see American locomotives, you'll see British locomotives, you'll see locomotives from all over the world that kind of mix in right here, and it looks really, really cool, and it's one of my favorite parts about looking at Australian model railroads. Staying down there, we're going to go to New Zealand and check out Robin Rye's layout. This thing is awesome. Check out this layout. This thing is massive, and it just looks like so much fun to run. This is Robin Rye's layout. British 00 gauge, got a lot of power from Hornby and places like that, and it is just huge. And of course I'm going to feature a layout if it's sent from me from New Zealand. If you've watched the channel long enough, you know how much I love New Zealand, but this layout is just massive, and I absolutely love it. It looks like a ton of fun to run. Great job, Robin. This is awesome. If you want to show off your model railroad work on this show, you can just submit it to the email in the description below. I would love to see it. Plus, don't forget to mention what kind of coffee you're drinking in the comments below. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.